Welcome guys, today I will show you my perfect IQ option strategy for trading with a high hit rate, and I'm on the US dollar Japanese yen. You see this? This is a real account with about $600, $700, and we will make a lot of money in a short time period. I'm just waiting for the perfect entry on this chart here. So I made an analysis. It's very important before you trade to make an analysis and then start with your trading strategy. In this video, I will show you my trading strategy. It's a very perfect strategy for IQ option, and you see we are on a very important price level. I marked this low here, and the market broke through this low here, comes back and makes a correction in this downtrend. So I'm waiting for a long trade here. I want to go long higher. We have a 86 rate of return here, a very nice profit if we make a right decision. If you want to trade here now, and yeah, I'm waiting for the right entry. At the moment the market is not moving, and I will explain you in this video why you should open a trade in such situations. Yeah, I go in here, $300. This is a very nice opportunity to make money. We see the market is rising here. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles at the moment, and this is a very nice area. I will mark you that in a second. I will show you that in a second after this trade is over. Then you will understand my perfect IQ option strategy. This is for beginners and for professional traders. It's very easy to use, and I will explain you how to make money with this. It's very easy. So I invested here $300, 3 trades, and I will win this trade in my opinion. So 8 seconds, 5 seconds, I won this trade. $258 of profit. So why I opened a trade here, I will explain that to you, and you will understand how to make this profit like me in a short time period. This is like scalping with IQ option. First of all, I marked this low here. If we zoom out, we see this is a 1 minute chart. We see here's a very important price area on this low here, and I will show you a screenshot in a second. Let's continue. You see this low here. I recommend everybody to do the analysis first before you trade. This is very important and belongs to this strategy. So we see this low, we see this highs here, and what you are doing in this strategy is first, I will mark it with a 1. First, you have to search for a low or for a high in a market. The best option is if the market does this movement, V. I don't know how it's spelled in English, this letter, but I think you know what I mean. This movement, the market should make this movement and make a low here. This is very important, and these are the best opportunities to make these trades. So you mark this low here, we see the price, and we just wait till the market breaks through this low. We see the market did it here. And what you can do if you see this, you just wait if the market breaks through it. When the market returns, you open your trade upwards. This is just the strategy. Very easy strategy for IQ option. Perfect strategy. You will make a lot of money, a high hit rate. If you go directly in here, some traders go direct in here, some traders wait the next candle. This is depending on your trading style. And yeah, it's a very nice strategy for trading. You see this, the market goes below here, comes back, and now you can trade long. So what I did here, I will go in, I will zoom in here. I waited here because I didn't get this trade here. I was too late on my computer, but I choose a re-entry here. So I will mark this for you. So now you have to go in detail. We know at this moment, here was the breakout, okay? This was the breakout. And now we are waiting for a pullback. Sometimes the market goes straight up, okay? Then we can't wait for a pullback, just go in. But on this time, the market goes slow, comes back. And what is very important here, this area is very important, where the market goes very fast upwards. And if the market come back to this area, we have to watch the candles, and I just waited here for these candles, and then I go in the trade. This is a typical breakout pullback. You wait, I will show you that. You wait to the breakout, the market goes up. Here was the breakout, makes a pullback, and then you can go in here. Okay, I hope you understand it. If you didn't understand it, write in the comment section below and we can make another video about it. This is the perfect IQ option strategy. So I will write it down for you in a paper, and I will present you this paper in a second. So I will give you my rules for this perfect IQ option strategy, and if you didn't get an IQ option account, you will find the link in the description below to open your free account and start trying it with this strategy. So I will create a short document for you. Wait a second. So we can do another trade here. I will go in here again with $100. This time not so much. I invest not so much here. I will show you my strict rule set in a second. And this is a very nice opportunity to go in here again with another trade, and I will show you why in a second. We see this here. This was a typical pullback, and I convinced the market will rise here again. Maybe we will win this trade. We will see this. Okay, maybe the market does a correction here again, but it doesn't seem so. Let's wait it 20 seconds. Let's wait this trade. I will win this trade. 10 seconds. We have 10 seconds time here to win this trade. Come on. Okay, we didn't win this trade. This wasn't my plan. I will go in here again. Wait a second. I will go in here again. This is all about the analysis of this breakout here. If we see such breakouts, we can do a lot of trades upwards. Higher, I mean. We can do 5 trades in a row. We can use 3 trades in a row or more trades in a row if we see such breakout. This is just simple as that. And if you got questions, go to my website. You can contact me there or go to the comment section below. You see this. And now we are in the win zone. So very nice trade again here. And that's how you make money. I will show you that in a second and give you the document. So let's come to the rule set, and I will show you exactly what you have to do for the perfect IQ option strategy. First of all, we zoom out, do an analysis, and that is very important to zoom out to get a nice overview about the chart. Then we are searching for highs and lows. This is very important to search a nice high and a low. I showed you how a high and a low should look like. Sometimes it works with other highs and lows, but it's very important that you are using the V shape. I will show you that. I mean, such as this low, for example. Okay, then third point, mark the low and high. Okay, fourth, wait for the breakout. Fifth, if the market comes back, gleich enter trade. It's called fake breakout. And this works perfectly with binary options, short-term trading, short-term investment, the strategy, because there is always the chance that the market will go 5-4 candles in the right direction of the false breakout. So what you have to understand why it is that, I will explain it to you here. Explanation is on the highs and lows. Highs, lows means high liquidity in the most of the times. So on these points, these are important areas of the chart. There are a lot of traders who are trading there. There are stop losses, stop limits or buy limits, buy stops, and so on. All types of orders are on these prices. So the market goes there and the most traders are trapped. Trapped by a breakout. That's why the market returns. So there are traders who are close this position, who are open this position, breakout traders who are open this position, and they get trapped by other traders. I can go in detail of this explanation in another video. This would took too long. For beginners, it's not so easy to understand, but you have to imagine on these lows, there are mostly breakout traders and they get trapped by another traders. So the traders fight each other and most of the times the breakout traders got trapped by other traders. And yeah, that's why the market is returning. A lot of traders are buying here on this breakouts, or they close their positions of short-term short trades. So this was my perfect IQ option strategy. We see the market has not so much volume, and yeah, it's on Friday, so the best times are Mondays, the other days of the week. Okay, this was my perfect IQ option strategy. I hope you understand it, and I wish you luck to do it. I wish you fun to do it. And if you don't got an IQ option account, you will find the registration link in the description below. See you in the next video, and goodbye.